What's going on, trucker guys and gals? Mr. By the Mile, thanks for coming back. More perks to flatbed. You'll get the most experience pulling a flatbed. Strapping, tarping, chaining, binding, you know the spiel. But you can pull anything. Containers, tanks, heavy equipment, oversize, over length, overweight. For overweight is RGN. If you want to pull those overweight loads, well, you got to go to flatbed, man. Oh, but Mr. By the Mile, Andre, you got to wait for those permits. You got to wait for those flags. Remember, you guys, I have a very good friend who pulls overweight for the government. He's doing great. Even as a company driver, he's doing great. He was owner-operator for a very long time, stacked his money, wanted to be home more, so he went company. And he's home very often, making great money. But you can pull that tank, container, right? You pull anything with a flatbed. So then what do you put on your resume, my friends? You got all that experience now. Not just flatbed, because if you can pull a flatbed, sure you can pull dry and refrigerated. Of course. If you started in flatbed, you'll have to work out the bugs of backing in tight areas, which is why I always suggest going to night transportation, getting your CDL with them. Great school, like I said, right? Go over to JB Hunt, get that A1 backing experience, right? And once you have a year doing that, change over to the flatbed side of life. You're already working on your second year, getting paid better. So there it is, man. I mean, that's the truth. Strap a tank onto that step deck, you know? Strap a container. You put it on that flatbed and strap it down. Bam. Whatever you're hauling, you've got that experience now. The other thing, of course, is flatbed is the only industry when you go company, right, to make more money than everyone else. They add that cent per mile on top of your base cent per mile, right? So I get 67 cents per mile. And I don't always have to be waiting for permits and the banners and all that, you know? Sometimes it's only a foot over the back of the flatbed. I tarp it, extra $100 there, strap it or chain it, you know, if it needs it. And if it needs it, tarp it. Extra $100 for the tarping, take off, man. Shoot. You're not going to have loads like that where they pay you more in dry and refrigerated. Some companies, you know, will offer you a little more, you know, hazardous materials or whatever, but come on, guys. Like, I know JB Hunt doesn't really pay that much more for hauling hazmat in there, you know. Now, once you get your experience in and you become a local driver, okay, there's companies like Dayton Freight, right? You could end up making really good money at Dayton Freight. Absolutely. In fact, I have a brother-in-law who worked for Dayton Freight for a pretty long time. I think like 12 years, something like that. Bam, he got in with UPS. Now he's got a pension, right? which also leaves me a connection. My dad retired from there. You know, this channel, you guys, I'll reveal some things about my life, you know. We're here to have an interpersonal connection, man, you know, with the right people on here. You get on here and you talking crap. Bye, Felicia. So this company I'm at, good stuff, man. Good stuff. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Anyways, short and sweet as usual, you guys. Mr. By the Mile. If you like this video, hit the like. If you dislike it, hit that like button twice. You know the drill. You guys take care. You stay safe. See you on the road.